Hi everyone, today we're diving into the world of RFID technology with the RC522 RFID module that we have over here. The RFID, which stands for Radio Frequency Identification, is used in countless applications from keyless door locks to contactless payment systems. So by the end of the video, you'll know how the RC522 works, how it is set up with an Arduino, and see it in action over here. So let's get started. So the RC522 is a low-cost RFID reader and writer module, which is based on the 13.56 MHz frequency. It's compact, it's easy to use, and it supports both reading and writing RFID data. It comes with the RC522 module itself and a set of RFID tags, such as the key fobs and the card. It comes with also jumper wires for easy connection, and it works using two components. The RFID reader, which is our RC522 module here, which sends a radio signal to the tags that we have over here, and the RFID tags, which is embedded with a microchip and an antenna that responds to the reader with its unique ID. When the reader detects a tag, it identifies the tag's unique ID and it sends this data to a microcontroller for processing. Here's what we need for this project. We need the RC522 RFID module. We need the Arduino Uno R3 board. We need jumper wires for connecting the two. And we need a set of RFID tags, which is the key fobs and our card here. So make sure before you start coding, make sure on your Arduino IDE you have the RC522 library installed. Again, you can go into your Arduino IDE, you can go into Tools, Manage Libraries, and because I had it opened, it's disappeared. Manage Libraries, and search for that library that you need to install, the RC522 library. I already have it installed on my IDE, but you can go ahead and press install on your IDE. It's by the GitHub community. Once you have that installed, you're already now ready to start coding, and you can just write the code that you see on your screen and then be ready to test your RFID module. To start connecting your RFID module to your Arduino, you need to connect your jumper wires in the following sequence. You'll have your SDA pin. The SDA pin must be connected with the pin number 10, digital 10 on your Arduino board. And the next pin is the SCK pin, which must be connected to pin 13 on your Arduino board. Your next pin would be the MOSI pin, which should be connected to pin 11 on your Arduino board. The MISO pin should be connected to pin 12 on your board. You can leave the next pin, which is the IRQ pin, you can leave it unconnected. We don't need it for basic setups. And then the next one would be your GND, which should be connected to your Arduino GND power. And then your last one is the 3.3V, should also be connected to your 3.3V on your Arduino board. Now let's get into testing our code. Once you've got your libraries installed, you can now upload your code onto your Arduino board. And once that's done, you're now ready to test your RFID tag. As you can see on your serial monitor, there should be a prompt which tells you that place your RFID tag near the reader. Once you do that, you can then scan, and once you scan your RFID tag, you will see a unique ID that gets printed on your serial monitor. So what this code does, every time you scan an RFID device, tag or card, it will print out the unique ID on your serial monitor. So now let's try this on the card as well, just to show that the two have two different unique IDs. And if you scan the card, there's a unique ID that gets printed on the serial monitor. As you can see, it's different from the RFID tag. So basically that's what this whole code does. It allows you to scan an RFID device and then it gives you back its unique ID. So every time you use a tag, a scan, its unique ID is displayed, like I said, on the serial monitor. This ID can be used in situations where you need to be granted access to trigger an event and log data. This RFID module is versatile and can be used for things such as access control, create keyless door locks, attendance systems, log entries in school or workplaces, for inventory management to track items with RFID tags, and even for smart cards too, to store data on writable RFID tags. And that's how the RC522 RFID module works. With its simplicity and flexibility, it's a fantastic addition to any electronic projects. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.